I'm really happy to see you here. Because you want to hold that person, you don't want to lose that person even after all this. I respect people who try hard to save a relationship, and I respect people who know the value of relationships in our life. We should never lose anyone for a misunderstanding. Meanwhile, we should not commit ourselves to a toxic relationship. If you are the person who has been cheated on or lied to, or you are the person who cheated or lied, you will get clarity on what you have to do to reconnect with that person at the end of this video. You will also get clarity whether you can trust him again or not. Listen, certain conflicts cannot be resolved. Certain people cannot be trusted again. There is no smoke without fire. There is always a reason for rumor, and there is always a reason for someone's unpleasant behavior. Just because you love that person so much doesn't mean you can trust him if he is breaking your trust again and again. A relationship between two people cannot survive without respect, trust, and love, because these are the building blocks of any relationship. If trust is broken, everything sucks. If once the trust is broken, there is no place for love and respect. We can't trust anyone we see or anyone we just talk to. It takes a lot of time and evidence to trust someone. But what happens when trust is broken? First, you will lose respect for him. You'll feel like he is not worth of your love. It will leave you hurt to the core emotionally and physically. But it's fine, dear. Just like everything else, this will pass away. Time will heal everything. It's difficult to reconnect if both of you are not willing to open up. I've met couples who have difference of opinions and always seem to be quarreling, but still live together for lifelong. Can you see the invisible thing here? It's the extreme love and care between them. Extreme understanding. That's the glue which sticks them together. I'm talking about that kind of love and relationship. Believe me, it still exists. All you have to do is find the right person for you. We usually focus on ourselves the most. How do I think? How do I feel? What do I want? Just keep all of them aside for a minute. Don't allow your ego to take a stand here. Most of the time, the reason behind trust issues are lying and cheating. If you are the liar and you did it for a good reason, try to communicate with her. Keep trying. Communication is the only way to solve this. Just kneel down, say sorry. Nothing is wrong with that, okay? It's that simple. Don't make it complicated by overthinking. If you are the one who has been lied to, then I'm 100% sure you'll not be ready to listen. You really don't care about the reason behind the lie. You'll have only one thought: he lied to me. Yes, dear, he lied to you. It's a very big crime. He has to be sentenced and put in jail. Can you tell me you have never lied to him? You have never hidden anything from him? No, right? Think for a moment and behave mature. He might have lied because he had no other options left. There might be a different motive behind his lie, and that motive can also be protecting you. Will you lose a good soul that tried to protect you? Open heart communication is the only way to rebuild your relationship. Take some alone time to think. Spend time on your other interest. Calm down yourself. Don't do anything like staying in distance, ignoring your partner, overthinking, or being cold. It will ruin your relationship furthermore. If you really love that person, you can't see him hurt. I know you are hurt too. But feeling sorry and staying away is not the right solution. Just talk with open mind. No ego, no self-centered thinking, no bunch of counter words, no emotional drama. Give him chance to explain. Listen with open heart. I don't believe in written statements or reminders of what you will do or how you have to behave or your promises to each other that you stick on your wall. I don't believe that will work. It's something that has to be written in your heart. Write in your heart that you will never break the other person's trust again in your life. Dear, if you are still confused whether to trust again or not, just look at him. If you can see the love in his eyes, if you can feel the love in your heart, please don't miss him for any silly reason. At the same time, don't make a decision without analyzing. People are different. Again, certain people cannot be trusted. People are very good actors in real life. If you allow them, you lose your happiness. If he doesn't add any value to your life, it's better to leave. Don't give space for toxic relationship. Actually, the relationship is not toxic. People are toxic. It's the way how they think and how they behave. So analyze whether he is worth or not. If you have given a number of chances and he is still cheating you, he is not the one, dear. He is not the one. And finally, it's your life. Only you have to decide. Choose your partner wisely. Please don't allow toxic people in your life. The one who is not happy himself cannot bring you happiness. If he doesn't add happiness and positivity in your life, he will add negativity and sorrow in your life. Be with the person who adds meaning to your life. Be with the person who is willing to take care of you without opinions and doubts.